Hello everyone, welcome to the Veda Life, where we explore the ancient wisdom with natural ingredients and holistic practices. We will explore how Ayurveda offers effective solution for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Let's get started on this journey to wellness. I'm your host, and today we are going to explore Ayurvedic remedies for obesity. Ayurveda, the ancient science of life, offers a comprehensive approach to weight management that emphasizes balance and harmony in the body and mind. Whether you are struggling with weight gain or looking to maintain a healthy weight, these remedies can be incredibly beneficial. Let's get started. In Ayurveda, obesity is often linked to an imbalance in Kapha dosha. Kapha governs the structure and the lubrication of the body, and when it becomes imbalanced, it can lead to issues like weight gain and sluggish metabolism. By understanding and addressing this imbalance, we can effectively manage obesity. Kapha-dominant individuals are more prone to weight gain due to their naturally slow metabolism and tendency to retain water. Ayurveda offers a variety of remedies that help to pacify Kapha and promote a healthy weight. The first step in managing obesity through Ayurveda is to follow a Kapha-pacifying diet. This includes food that are light, warm, dry, and easy to digest. Let's look at some specific dietary recommendations. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet. Avoid heavy, oily, and sweet food, which can aggravate Kapha. Here are a few specific recommendations. Ginger and lemon tea is a great way to kickstart your metabolism and aid digestion. Boil the water and add the sliced ginger. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea and add the juice of half a lemon. Drink this tea first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This tea can help boost your metabolism and support weight loss efforts. Triphala is a traditional Ayurvedic herbal formulation that supports digestion and detoxification. Mix the Triphala powder in warm water. Drink this mixture before bedtime. Fenugreek seeds are another powerful remedy that can help curb appetite and boost metabolism. Soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight. Drink the water and chew the seeds on an empty stomach in the morning. This remedy helps to control cravings and supports healthy digestion. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb that helps the body to cope with stress and promotes overall well-being. Mix ashwagandha powder in warm water or milk. Drink this mixture before bedtime. Ashwagandha helps to reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and support weight management. Panchakarma is an Ayurvedic detoxification treatment that involves a series of therapeutic procedures to cleanse the body. While Panchakarma requires professional supervision, it benefits for weight loss and overall health. Consult with an Ayurvedic practitioner to see if Panchakarma is right for you. Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of the mind-body connection in achieving optimal health. Managing stress and maintaining mental well-being are crucial for effective weight management. Regular practice of meditation and pranayama can help reduce stress and promote emotional balance. Set aside at least 15 minutes each day for meditation and deep breathing exercises. These practices help to calm the mind, reduce cortisol levels, and support weight loss. In addition to these remedies, there are several other tips and practices that can enhance your weight loss journey. Here are a few more tips to keep in mind. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support metabolism and detoxification. Eat mindfully. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to hunger and fullness cues and avoid overeating. Get adequate sleep. Ensure you get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to support overall health and weight management. Avoid snacking. Stick to 3 balanced meals a day and avoid snacking in between. Include spices. Use spices like turmeric, black pepper, and cinnamon in your cooking to boost metabolism and aid digestion. Ayurveda offers a holistic approach to weight management, addressing the root causes of obesity through dietary changes, lifestyle practices, herbal remedies, and detoxification. By incorporating these Ayurvedic home remedies into your daily routine, you can support your body's natural ability to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Thank you for joining me on this journey to wellness. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more Ayurvedic wisdom. Until next time, stay healthy and balanced.